Motivation is a key element in any workplace program. And it's a key element because most of the problems that we deal with in the workplace have a certain level of denial. Think about alcohol. The alcoholics you've known often deny that they have a problem, deny it vehemently, and will lose their home, their family, everything in denial of their alcoholism. In the workplace, we've developed a strategy to overcome that kind of denial. It's called constructive confrontation. Constructive confrontation builds on the work roles of the people in the workplace. Supervisors are responsible for job performance. They monitor job performance. And when job performance deteriorates, they have a responsibility to intervene and do something. One intervention strategy to help people is to send them to the Employee Assistance Program or encourage them to go. Stewards also deal with job performance, and they too can encourage people to go to the Employee Assistance Program. Peers as well can play that kind of role. So constructive confrontation builds on the work roles that people are already doing around job performance. Constructive confrontation is also a progressive discipline process. That is, we know that to build motivation, sometimes we start with a verbal warning, a written warning, threats of suspension, and even threats of termination. That's progressive discipline in the workplace. It's not summary discharge. So progressive discipline is part of the constructive confrontation strategy. In constructive confrontation, the supervisor, for example, talks to the employee about, you've been a good employee. You've worked well for us in the past. Something's wrong here. We want to keep you. That's constructive. The confrontative component comes from job performance, having documentation about their job performance, being able to confront the employee about why their job performance is deteriorated. And the other constructive element is, instead of terminating them or disciplining them, but encouraging them to seek help from the employee assistance in order to avoid disciplinary procedures. So today we're going to look at 3 ways that constructive confrontation is carried out in the workplace. The first one really is about supervision. As you watch this clip, watch how the supervisor uses job performance as a lever. Watch how he uses constructive elements to encourage the employee to understand that he is a valued person. Watch how he uses the confrontative elements to say, look, we really do need to do something. It's this combination of elements that is used in a progressive fashion that will encourage employees to seek help from the Employee Assistance Program.